a tornado coming. Get in the living room. We already got all the stuff. Come on, hurry up. Grab your toys from the bathroom.
Yeah, we have a ton of them out here.
Okay.
I have to interface. Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. The toilet is not close to the window, so we're good. Okay. Honey, there's something I got outside for the girls. I guess I'm gonna go give it to them now. Here you go, girls. Oh my gosh! It's a radioactive tornado catcher, but we gotta keep it outside with the button pulled it down for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's gonna hold it soon.
And it's holding the tornado inside of it.
It's going to pull it, but the tornado's too strong. The tornado's too strong, guys.
And this one just gets really mad, and puts the power on it. Her power on the tornado. Walks outside and puts the power on the tornado, and the tornado just completely stops.
Got her.
Then she just stops.
We're all safe. Okay, good. Okay, take everything.
We have enough time to block. You guys have enough time to block. You two have enough time to block all the windows.
Okay, I'm going upstairs. I'll board up all the windows.
I will do them down here. Now we can go.
Okay, there we go.
They just have to let go. Okay. Now.
Hang on.
Okay. Hey, Mommy?
Yeah, take everything back up to your room, even the tornado catcher.
Tornado not too strong. The tornado slowed down for 10 hours. How?
No one knows. Well, we're all safe here. Okay, girls?
But everyone, stay in your house. Repeat, stay in your house.
That means it's catching a tornado, girls, okay? We'll board it up with your doll plate thingies. Here, yeah, put your dolls thingies in there. They might not all fit, but you can hang the ones that don't, the ones that don't fit, just put up there.
And the girls are really smart that they're doing this. Move, Mommy, move your feet. There you go. Now we can play with our toys. Now go our toys down so we can play with them.
Well, don't mess up the house.
We're not going to. We're just going to play with them.
Downstairs. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta go potty. Oh boy. Oh, I'm gonna appliance. Run to the toilets.
They forgot that one window. And the unicorn runs down and does it.
Be careful, my pooper thing is hanging out.